Hey guys, I was scrolling through TikTok and suddenly came across this video. I thought it would be great for New Year's Eve, but of course I don't have that big printer and it kind of bothered me that it didn't have a grip and a way to carry it. So I jumped into Fusion 360 and created my own model inspired by the one on TikTok. I wanted to use maximum print space and minimum filament, so I printed the handle after the main body and glued it into the stand. I tested it on New Year's Eve and it worked perfectly, except for the problem when you put the wooden toothpicks in the fridge, they gain volume and are harder to pull out. Otherwise, everything worked perfectly and I will definitely continue to use it. I'm going to give you model to download for free into the description of this video. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. See you in the next one.